I've discovered a brand new faceless TikTok niche that's blowing up where complete beginners are making $10,000 in their first month. Look, this, and this TikTok video. They get millions in just 30 days. Nobody knows this niche now, so move fast. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to replicate those results with one AI tool. In the end, I'll go over 2 bonus methods that can make your earnings skyrocket. Step 1. Joining the TikTok Creator Rewards Pro program. Join the TikTok Creator program. This is how you'll get paid for the faceless TikToks you post. It's supposed to be open to only those in the US and a handful of other countries, so make sure you stay in the above place. Step 2. Researching the competition. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Sort TikTok, and click Add to Chrome to install. This will make it much easier to see the best performing faceless TikToks. Then analyze viral videos. Sort by views to see the most viral videos. Example, check an account that makes AI-generated music. Note that their most viral videos are country songs. Step 3. Picking a viral song idea. 1. Ask GPT for song ideas. Give it the prompt. Here are some examples of funny AI-generated songs and include examples of viral TikTok songs. Ask for more original, funny, and ridiculous ideas for country songs with short descriptions. If you don't want to create country music, tweak the prompt to give examples of other viral songs. You can also use the GPT bot in Bool Video here. Make your workflow easier. Step 4. Generating the AI song. Use Suno.com to create lyrics. Create an account, go to Create, and paste the song idea into the song description area. Suno will create lyrics for you. If needed, enable custom mode to paste your own lyrics, but I found that Suno is excellent at lyricism. Download your favorite song. Once Suno creates a couple of songs, listen to them to ensure they're funny and have potential for engagement. Download the song and move to the next step. Step 5. Generating the video. First, create the video using Bool Video. Sign up for an account on Bool Video and use the AI video generator. Click the Script to Video button. Paste your lyrics here and let it create the video. Then, you'll get a video with B-roll and captions. Then finalize the video with the editor. Click Edit in Timeline, change the captions format and move them to the middle of the video. Ensure the video is over 1 minute long to meet TikTok's monetization requirements. Then use the AI bot here to turn the lyrics to AI images. Click here to add images to the timeline. Click Export and download the video. Now let's check out this awesome video.
The way to go, create videos like a pro. AI magic, come and bring your ideas to life. Hands free and grand, it's free and grand. But just to click the story unfolds it. Trim your vision, turn takes all that effects, make it shine. Incredible videos, now yours and mine. Move audio, the future is here. Unleash your creativity.
Step 6. Posting your video to go viral. 1. Upload your video to TikTok. Add a headline like, "Asking AI to make a hit country song, Day 1 to grab attention." Use a similar description and hashtags as your competitors. 2. Post consistently. Post 3 times per day with different songs and genres. Run multiple accounts if needed to find a viral hit faster. Bonus methods to boost earnings. 1. Upload YouTube Shorts. Shorten your TikTok video to less than 1 minute and upload it as a YouTube short with a similar headline, description, and hashtags. 2. Create long-form YouTube videos. Extend your song by adding more verses using ChatGPT, then create a long-form video with AI-generated visuals. Upload this to YouTube and link it to your YouTube short to drive more traffic and increase earnings. By following these steps and using the bonus methods, you can maximize your chances of going viral and making money with faceless TikToks. Remember to be consistent, creative, and take action now before the opportunity becomes more competitive.